Hello all, welcome back for another video of Self Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here, oil surface dew indicator, this one, of an Volkswagen Transporter 2020 model, the newest model. And I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to get rid of that. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, turn or press the ignition on to the second position. All the lights must go on. All the lights must go on like this. Then we're gonna go through the menu by pressing these buttons to the right or to the left, and then find driving data. Once it's set to driving data, as you can see, then the clue is to press the OK button on the right side of the steering wheel for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and once you let go, the menu appears, surface menu appears on the dashboard. Scroll down to reset oil surface, press OK. Reset oil surface, press it. Service interval is reset, it says. Reset inspection, like this. Press OK and another OK. And also the inspection is due to reset, has been reset. And do the check, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and you'll see that the indicator doesn't show up anymore and the service indicator has gone. So once again, a quick find driving data. Once you are here, press OK button for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Let go and scroll through the surface menu to reset different surface indicators. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.